Rory rubs his hands together near the lake in the mountains of Blaenau. Max and Rhodri watch Rory as Efa heads over to both the heavily pregnant Rhian and Namit, who carries a fishing rod.
I think I'm going to take a walk around. Try to find a quieter spot, you know? You going to be okay?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Thanks for having us last night.
Pleasure. Thomas is a good man. We're happy to help. Panat?
Oh, yeah.
Tea or coffee?
Oh,
The coffee's decaf.
black coffee's all right, thanks. Oh, thank you.
Rhian stirs honey into her tea.
I've craved honey the whole pregnancy. I have to carry a jar in my bag wherever I go.
Watch me
I
do
feel
it.
like bloody Mary Poppins.
I don't think I've seen a full jar of honey in about 2 years.
They're fearless.
Rory dances into the lake.
That age, I'd throw myself into any bin. No thinking, just do it. Just running onto the dance floor instead of getting dragged. They're not fearless, but they are brave.
They're good friends. Travelling all this way with you.
Yeah, they were.
You don't stay friends.
Not like this. I think they all found their way though, and I still see Alicia and Swansea sometimes, but you know, life happened. So much happens. It's so much easier to see it all when you're out of it. All the stuff.
Biscuit?
Oh, yes.
Rhian's biscuit falls apart in her tea.
Oh no, that's so annoying.
I can literally hear my mum just dacing me for that second dunk.
Oh, but one's never enough.
Exactly.
Does your mum live near or?
No. No, no, she's not, she died. She's dead. Died 9 days ago, actually. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
Sorry, I keep forgetting she's not here, you know?
Yeah, I know. Like, you'll never stop missing her, but it won't always hurt in the same way, I promise. But I do wish someone had told me about that day. In 10 years' time, you'll wake up and think, oh, I wish I could just tell them that. And you feel it all over again, like it was the day you lost them.
Who did you?
My nan. 2041. I wasn't there. I regret that. I got a call and I was at the train station, standing on a platform. And they said she just fell asleep. What about your mum?
They perch on a rock.
She wasn't well. I got to be with her. I think she knew, you know? She looked around the room, taking it all in. Like she knew she wasn't going to see any of it again. Have you heard of the death rattle? The breath changes. The sound of it changes. Then she looked at me. at us. And then
She rubs her bump.
It's so weird, knowing that you're not going to be here much longer. It's like I'm watching a home movie that I was a part of once. Like this world, these people, you belong to my past.
don't say that.
What?
That we're your past.
Sorry?
The kids in my class, when they talk about the future, they dream it up. Make it for themselves. Decide what they wanted it to look like. Their future, infinite and beautiful. But then, this week with you arriving, suddenly a future already exists. Just as soon as those children started dreaming, they had to stop. Because the future became something they could know. Instead of flying cars and robots, they're now thinking about wildfires and sea levels. You say that we're your past, like you have no respect for the fact that this is our now. Those children, my child, shouldn't feel that the future's fixed. They should feel full of potential and possibilities. It's my job to give them that, and this week with you, that's felt really hard. All of this is present, Eva, and it's happening to us now, so don't talk about it like it's the past.
I didn't ask for any of this, Rhian.
So you know how it feels. To be given a version of events that you feel you didn't choose. Please remember that. The children in my class are coming to hear what you have to say. They need to hear hope, not a death rattle. Whether you like it or not, you're a leader now.
I'm not too sure I want to be a leader.
Sometimes, the best leaders are the ones who never wanted to be.
Sorry. I'm older than you. And it sounds like I just got a lecture from my nan.
I'm sorry, I keep forgetting. Maybe I'm just getting some practice in before this one arrives.
How far along are you now? About 30 weeks?
32. Wait, do you have kids?
No, not me. Never really happened, so we just stuck with the two of us. Me and Luna.
There was a point where we thought it might just end up being me and Namit too. This one's a rainbow baby. You must miss her, Luna.
Try not to think about it too much. You know, because I could be stuck here. I didn't want to have to consider losing her, so. Seeing you and Namit together it's made me ache a bit. Sometimes I close my eyes and it's like I can smell her, feel her. Your person comes like your oxygen, don't they? They make breathing easier. She's not there. Yeah. I really miss her now.
Sounds like it's time to go home.
Yeah, maybe. I just feel like a lot might have changed.
Maybe it'll be something good. Like more honey. 30 years. An older woman in her 60s. Still trying to teach kids that probably know much more than her. A husband. Terrible at fishing. That owns a tech repair shop in an old mill. A grown-up son. Happy son. Maybe a new friend I met a long time ago.
I'll look you up.
Ah! He's kicking!
Hi.
Efa and Rhian head back to the lake and the enormous mountains that surround it.